Hi, I'm Karen Tursek, President of the Willoughby Western Lake County Chamber of Commerce. I'm here today with one of our members to tell you about just one of the many benefits that you'll receive when you join the Chamber of Commerce.
The Chamber has a golf outing, a turkey bowl, the Arts Fest, and so many other fun events throughout the year. There are so many events that you can sponsor, attend, or volunteer at. As a civic member of the Chamber, I enjoy being able to connect with the people in the Chamber community. My involvement helps to support and grow the business and residential communities while being able to spend time with my fellow members. So remember, don't just join, belong.
We invite you to join the Willoughby Western Lake County Chamber of Commerce. You belong here with fantastic networking events, countless opportunities for visibility, and plenty of special discounts. We are confident that you will find your place in this friendly community of local businesses. What are you waiting for? Join us today and belong.